¿Qué onda, mamacitas y papacitos? Mi nombre es Tyler Ritz, a.k.a. Trillis-T. Es una palabra en inglés para los hombres muy musculoso y inteligente. Soy. No sé, las mujeres escuchen. That's enough of Spanish. Welcome back. I'm glad to see your beautiful face, or at least you see mine. You know what I mean. Today's video though is going to just be a time lapse of my mom cutting my hair. My mom has cut my hair ever since I've been little. She is a beautician. She is licensed in it. And of course, you know, mama, I respect your decision and I respect you. She is gonna give me the best haircut, and you know, I only let my mama touch my hair, ladies. Las mujeres, lo siento. Lo siento. So as many of you know, when you grow long hair, you eventually get split ends, and you want to trim these off because if not, they will spread up the hair shaft and destroy your hair. I made a video about this, link will be below, check it out. So without further ado, let's get into this video and I will show you a time lapse of her cutting my hair and literally, I don't know, just cutting my hair tips. See how much length I lose. Bottom of the rib, my hair is curly, so it shrinks a little bit, but there it is, roughly. Let's go. You're gonna take 1.5 inches off?
I think it's already done.
Oh. 1.5 inches? That's gonna make me look like a boy. So there we have it, folks. A nice haircut.
Just trimming the length. They'll probably charge you $30 to do that in the shop. Oh.
Okay, so now we are back in the studio and I'm going to show you what we got done. My mom and I ended up taking 1.5 inches off of my hair. It used to be down here and now it's up. You see what you see now? It is looking good. It is looking shorter with less split ends. I don't know, it's a shame to see hair go length, like, you know, it's a shame to see your hair shrink, but it is good to know that I don't have split ends that much anymore. So it's a trade-off we all gotta make. In conclusion, this has been a video of my tips of my hair getting trimmed. You know, I just wanted to film this because it is the maintenance that we all have to do to keep our long hair as luscious as Uhtred, the Viking, the Dane. You know, we gotta look good, we gotta look like that Viking, but we gotta put the work in. So I appreciate you watching this video. Without further ado, you know, hit that like, hit the subscribe. I do appreciate you and I would appreciate that. I don't want to sell myself anymore, so you have a good day, thank you, peace out, and keep that luscious man-made looking as good as I know you are. Boom! 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 You like my shirt? It's an elf, it's a tree elf looking at the moon. Yeah, you know, it's pretty sexy. See, this is what I'm saying. This is the magic power to get you the ladies. I'm giving you my secrets every video at a time. If you want to learn more secrets about how to get that significant other, let's check out the other hair videos. Check out the travel videos. I don't know, maybe by the end of this you might have a new girlfriend. I don't know. Peace!